You will need vinegar, the Angry Mama, and water.
Go.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Angry Mama. You need vinegar, just regular vinegar, water, and this. This is the Angry Mama. You twist this off, and the face comes off. And if you look closely, there's a water line and a vinegar line. So you fill it to vinegar to this line, and then the rest with water. So it's kind of hard because it's dark, but try to go to about where the vinegar line is. Yeah, there. And then the rest to the water line here of water. Just about. I put a little bit more. Empty a little out. Okay. Then you put the face back on. Twist it like that.
I can't see her face.
Yeah, she doesn't have a face.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So then
She does have a face.
Follow me.
Okay.
Put it up here in the microwave with the table and everything all. Put it in the middle. We put it on for 7 minutes.
I can't see it. Here.
And just let it cook. After 7 minutes, I waited a few minutes, and then meanwhile you could get a microfiber towel, wet it and wring it so that it's just damp, and you'll need a pot holder. This is how it looks. The bell rang, I waited a few minutes, and now you have the handles are cool here, so you take that out and put it down. Save the liquid because you could use it to clean the table. Get a pot holder just in case, and grab this. Put it in the sink to wash later. Remove this. Then you get a wet microfiber towel and just wipe. And everything comes off really simple. Comes off easily. Get the door. Okay, so literally like 5 minutes later, it's all clean. Show you.